Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, I show you the performance of yesterday, that is on 2nd December 2021. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join our free Telegram channel named MST School of Trading. Again, I explain you from the basic, from the scratch. Our strategy is very simple, very simple, and it is predefined. Most of you are asking how to control the emotion while trading. If you simply follow our indicator levels, when it says buy, you have to buy. When it says sell, you have to sell. When it says stop loss, whatever stop loss is mentioned over there, you have to keep that stop loss. Whatever target is mentioned over there, you have to keep that target. That's all. Now your emotions will go away from your mind and you can trade without any problem. Okay. Now what you have to do, select any browser and type tradingview.com and enter. You will get the screen like this. Now select any script whichever you want to trade. Okay, I am selecting the crude oil. And one more thing, don't trade in all the script. If you are trading in all the script, one script you will make profit, other script you will not make the profit, then end of the day you will be in a loss. If you are a very disciplined trader, if you are trading in all the script and every day you will be trading in all the script, then it is good. One day you will trade in HDFC and another day you will not trade in HDFC, another day you will go to Axis Bank. This is not a good practice. If you are trading in HDFC Bank and Axis Bank always, all the days, then you can go ahead. If you are not a such fellow, then don't do that. Okay. See how we are trading. Always we are showing the performance of all the script, but we are trading only in the selected script. See, this is our watch list. Only within this watch list we will be trading. And mostly we will be trading crude oil, bank nifty and natural gas. So this is enough for us. Only crude oil is enough because we know when to catch the market. See here, I am selecting this chart. It's loading now. So now I will be getting a chart on my screen. I got it. So what I have to do, I will give reset. When I start the trading, I will give the reset. So by default, all the four lines would be enabled. You all know about our strategy. Okay. Once again, I explain my strategy. The strategy is very simple. Whichever side first gets activated, okay, you have to listen carefully. Whichever side first gets activated. So this is our entry, open price of the market. If market comes down first to this level, then you have to go for buy, then you have to remove the sell. Don't go for the sell entry that day. It is very simple. If market has reached first here, this is our sell entry, then don't go for the buy that day. Very simple basic strategy. Now you have to tell me where market has reached. Where market has reached. Initially, market has not touched our buy entry. The buy entry was 4946, but the low made was 4954. So the difference is 8 points. If there is a difference of 3 points, we can consider that buy has been activated, and immediately whatever low comes, in that low we can take the buy entry. Since there is a difference of 8 points, we cannot consider that buy has been activated, though it has given the target. So we have to wait for the sell entry. The sell entry is 5033. So at this place, Market has reached here. See here, what is the high? 5033 only. I am keeping the cursor here. You could see here. See the high 5033 only. So exactly our sell entry got activated. Exactly, our sell entry got activated. Now what we have to do? Cancel the buy and enable the first sell targets and first sell SL. That's all. So exactly all our three targets immediately hit. See here, immediately all the three targets have been achieved. Our trade got over here. It's here itself. That's all. Not even 1 point is missed. Okay, see the low. See the low of this candle 4966 and our target is 4966. Exactly from 5033 to 4966. Our all targets has been achieved. Then again, here is the another thing. If you are a aggressive trader, if you want to make again and again, then you can change. You can trade in first buy with the day candle. I mean with the day time frame, and second buy you can go with the weekly time frame. Okay, it is extra trade only. If loss comes and profit comes, it is an extra income for you. It is not there as per the strategy. And another thing we have added here, and see here. And one more thing I have observed personally, that if market has reached first time sell entry, then you can increase the weekly day chart and select the sell entry. Only sell entry that day, no other buy entry. See, I am making two weekly chart. See here. Again from 4966 to it has reached the top level and the five and our sell entry is 5061. See here again immediately all the three targets have been achieved. All the three targets have been achieved. Now market is going down further, but we don't know till where it will go. So now we have added recently one more one, and that is called as big two targets. See here, that big two targets I have given, but that update is not updated to my settings. Now what I have to do, I have to cancel this indicator from my chart and give save. Again go back to this indicator settings and add once again this one. So now I'm changing the settings to weekly and enabling the first buy and first sell and cancelling second buy and second sell. Since all targets have been achieved, I want to know till where it will go. So I am selecting the big two targets. See here what I did. I am not asking any of the MST school employees or team member to update my indicator. I did myself. Initially the update was not updated. I just closed from my chart. I went to my favorite list. From there I added. So I got my big two targets. Okay. Okay, I'm enabling the big two targets. Now you see what happened. Now our sell become, our stop loss become very low. Our stop loss will become very minimum points. So all the three targets have been achieved in the big targets. Now if I want to know the further targets where I should go here and enable first cell target 4. You could see here first cell target 4. Yeah. So now you could see our all targets from 5061 to 4728 has been achieved. Then immediately market has reversed back to 5033, 5042 till 42 it has reached. Okay, so now all our points, even if you have taken entry here, so this is our confirmation. So there is one rejection of red candle and immediately there is a green candle. When high of the green candle is broken, you can go for the buy entry with low of the red candle. This is one technique. This we call it as R3C. R3C. What is R3C? There will be 3C, rejection of candle. First one, this is the rejection of candle. That is 1C. Then confirmation candle, another 2C, CC. Okay, confirmation candle is immediately a red candle. When the high of the red candle is broken, then you can go for the buy entry at the closing price of the second candle. What is second price closing candle? Second candle closing price is 4838. Okay, now see the low of the third candle is 4795. So the target has been entry has been exactly activated. So now we can book the profit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. Very simple. If SL hit, what to do? Suppose if 5061 sell triggered, if it is not going up, if it is not coming down, since we have sold, what we have to do? Then we have to go for the second buy with the double lot. If you cannot afford double lot, at least go with one lot so that you will recover the loss of the day itself. Okay. So if you are simply following our strategy every day without any emotion, 100% I'm sure that you will get a profit. You will get profit 100%. So next I show you Bank Nifty. Only for example I'm showing. And one more thing we are not telling, you will not get loss. You will get loss also. Okay. But you will get profit also. So I'm keeping in a default mode. So what happened on Bank Nifty? So I'm keeping in small targets. See here. Let me show you whether buy activated or sell activated first. See, buy is here. So buy level is not activated. Only sell only got activated. So now what we have to do? We have to remove the buy entry. So since sell activated, we have to take the entry here and we have to wait for the target. So exactly our target achieved. And here if you are a price action based trader, here you can see all the candles are closing above our first target. All the candles are closing above our first target, and here there is a rejection of candle. Rejection of candle. See here rejection of candle. See here rejection of candle. Here bullish candle. So now this indicates that it will go up. This is just an extra point, not related to our subject strategy. Okay, so that's all. And you can use our three EMAs. VWAP 1, VWAP 2, and VWAP 3. See here. Now Bank Nifty is a very big bullish condition. So all the three has given the crossover. So until market crossed this line, market will not come down. It will go up only. So this is one example. And in crude oil, late night also we got one target. Late night I show you what happened in late night. See here, at 9:30 the high made was 28. Okay, buy not activated, not sell activated. But at the 10:45 candle, around 10:30 to 10:45, first sell activated. High made 5042 and the low made 4941. So exactly from sell to buy activated. Exactly sell to buy targets given. Late night also. Simply follow the numbers. You simply have to follow the numbers. Don't look at the candle. Don't include any of your emotion. Don't include any of your knowledge. So this is a no-brainer. Just use the indicator It is advanced price action based tool. Tool means people will understand. That's why we are using the term indicator. So thank you all for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also recommend our indicator and the YouTube channel and Telegram channel to all your trading friends so that all of them will make a profit from this market and they will stop losing their capital from the in the market. Thank you all. If any doubts, please WhatsApp us. Our team will be there and they will respond to you immediately. Thank you all.